Hi, this is Michael Jill, and today I'll be doing a review on the Chefman Hotplate. In the past few years, the Chefman Hotplate has gotten quite popular. There are a few different models or types. The one that I have has a knob, but some of them do not. Before this video, I actually did wipe it down with a microfiber cloth and some cleaning agent, but these marks don't actually go away. So keep that in mind. In the beginning it looks really nice, but after some time, these marks stay. The glass look actually does look really nice, but I really don't like the fact that it keeps all these marks on it. There's a warning on the top telling you not to touch it. It has two nice handles for being able to transfer pretty easily. The handles don't get hot. As you can see over here, there's some kind of washer in order to keep the handles from getting very hot. If you decide to keep this hot plate on for long periods of time, I would highly recommend not putting it next to a window shade, because putting it next to a window shade like this will actually probably cause a fire. This can get really hot. This is what the bottom of the hot plate looks like. There are some nice legs over here made out of rubber on the bottom so that it keeps the hot plate elevated from the ground a few feet or a few inches. That way it will not burn the surface that it's on. I keep mine on a wooding table such as this one, and I never had any problems yet. I've been using it for about 4 or 5 months. After measuring it, you can see it's actually less than 1 inch tall. This hot plate is 16 inches wide, which is 1.5 feet. And it is 21 inches long. The length of the cable is 41 inches long, which is almost 3.5 feet. I put a little Velcro on mine so that I could wrap it up very easily. I've seen a few people in the comments mention that they had a problem and their hot plate actually shattered, but it does say on the label that you should not cover it in tinfoil. I keep the setting on medium usually for most things, and it does a perfect job. Although the settings are not so easy to see. As you can see right there, there's a little notch in the knob, but I keep it right by medium, and it does a really great job. Makes everything hot within 20-30 minutes. I'm going to try to clean it one more time with Windex. And here I have a bottle of Windex, and I'm going to spray it on and see if it does anything. Obviously you wouldn't want to do this right before you use it. And after wiping it down very thoroughly, still not much better. I have kept it on for 26-hour periods and sometimes much longer, and I've never had any problems with overheating or shattering. As we see in the comments that there are some people that have a problem on Amazon. This is a 2-pronged outlet, and it works in any 2-pronged power outlet. It says the output is 400 watts. However, it probably only uses 400 watts on the maximum heat. I use this hot plate with a timer, so this timer actually shows a maximum load of 1,800 watts, so this timer is fine. If you decide to use the hot plate with a timer, you should definitely make sure that the specifications on the timer are able to handle it. This light will turn on and off, and the hot plate does make some noise when it's turning on and off, just like a toaster oven does. I believe it's the heat element disengaging. However, it will maintain a pretty decent heat at whatever you put it on. I actually ran a test where I left it on the highest heat for about 12 hours, and I did not see any issues. I just wanted to make sure that it was fine before I started testing it over longer periods of time. In any case, I would highly recommend this hot plate for anyone who decides they want to use a hot plate even for an extended period of time, such as 2 or 3 days. This can be sufficient in warming up a lot of different things. Thank you and have a great day. If you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you very much.